There aren't many Kling AI tutorials on YouTube, and most of the older videos don't cover the new features added over the last few months. So guys, if you're interested in text to image or image to video, I will walk you through how to use the AI image generator, the AI video generator, the lip sync feature, and a bunch of other cool tools. And most importantly, I will show you why the new Kling 2.5 version absolutely dominating the AI video generation space right now. So let's get started. Alright guys, for those who don't know, Kling AI is mostly known for AI video generator, but it also has an AI image generator, AI sound effect generator, a lip sync video tool, where you can upload your own video and have an animated character match your lips and words, and a bunch of other cool features I will show you today. Speaking of navigation, we've got all the Kling AI features on the right, and I will start with the AI image generator. Like in the most AI image makers, you've got text to image, just type in your prompt and get your image. An image reference, where you can upload your own picture and tell the AI to generate an image close to one you attached. Then we have the restyling feature that lets you change the style of your image. And here you can either choose a new style from the available templates or describe to the AI what kind of look you want to create. So let's first check out our text to image feature. I've got this prompt ready. It will be a futuristic city skyline sunset, and before we hit generate, you can either pick a predefined style or let the AI create your image from scratch. You can also use DeepSeek AI to help write or improve your script. You can also save your prompt as a preset, but we will get into that later. And maybe the most important part here is choosing your image resolution and how many variations you want the AI to generate. I'm going with 2 outputs, and of course I want high resolution images. And let's see now what we get. Alright guys, here are our images. We've got different perspectives, and honestly I can say I really like this. Here you can like, dislike or download the image. Downloading it without the Kling AI watermark does require subscription, but I'm on the cheapest plan, and honestly it's more than enough if you are using it for personal projects and you don't run an image heavy business. Here you can also generate a short video from this image. This VRI feature works just like regenerating the image, and the in-paint feature lets you tweak or change any part of it. And in addition to the options I just showed you, you will see the upscale and expand features. Of course, Kling AI isn't super scalable image editing tool, but if you just need some basic adjustments, most of these features will cover all your needs. The retry button works just like the VRI, it regenerates your image, and the set as the reference button lets you use this image as a reference for future generations. It's also worth mentioning that on the right side you will find all your generations, images, videos and audio, along with any assets you used before. And now let's test out the image reference feature, and honestly this one is a little more exciting for me. Here, based on the image you upload, you can use a person's face as a reference for future images, swap backgrounds, change the overall style, and pretty much do whatever you want. Let's start with the subject. I've got a photo of a jumping dog, so I'm uploading it here. Then based on that image, I want the AI to generate a dog jumping on a basketball court, trying to catch the ball. I want my new dog to look similar to this one, so I set both the face reference and subject reference to 100, and then hit generate. And here is our new image. And does it look good? Let me know in the comments below, guys. Using image references like this really helps the AI grab the idea of our new image. Alright, let's try to use the face as a reference now. I found a photo of this pretty young lady. I'm uploading it here, and you can already see that the AI has recognized her face. I'm asking the AI to turn her into a professional tennis player. I've set the reference strength to 100, so the AI won't change her facial expressions or replace any parts that will make her look different. Clicking the generate button, waiting a few seconds as usual, and there you go, our pretty girl in a blue denim jacket has been transformed into a tennis player. Alright guys, next we have the entire image tab, and as the animation shows, you can change the subjects and objects while keeping the image style. But there are still plenty of features left, and I'm not going to take up your time. This one's pretty straightforward, so you can try it out yourself. But what I'm really excited about is the restyle feature. You just upload your image. I've got a man with a dog here, and instead of writing a prompt, I will just select this Ghibli style. I'm going with one output, wait a few seconds, and just like that you can see how our image has completely transformed. Let's upload another image of the man with the dog, and this time I'm asking the AI to restyle it in a Japanese anime style. Again, we need to wait a few seconds, and here is our restyled image. I don't really watch anime, but it doesn't look too bad, right? Here you also have a tab called Elements, which lets you combine different subjects and scenes, just like the animation shows us. Image generation here costs from 0.3 to 4 credits per image, which isn't much. But to access all the features I showed you, you will need at least the cheapest subscription, since buying credits separately doesn't unlock everything. This one is a crucial point to mention. Alright guys, speaking of AI video generator, that's one of the reasons Kling AI is so popular. Here you can generate videos from text, from images, or even edit existing videos. The text-to-video feature is pretty straightforward. You can write your own prompt or use integrated DeepSeek to help you craft it. Since I'm not feeling very creative today, I want a running dog in the park, and I'm going to get some help from the DeepSeek AI to enhance it. You click this button, and just like that, DeepSeek will improve your script. Next, you will see the Kling offers free sound effects for a video, but we will turn that off for now. Then you can choose the video length, resolution, and how many videos you want the AI to generate at once. I'm going with a 5-second video, this resolution, and one output. Now as always, we need to wait a little longer. And here is our video. And again guys, you can see our video looks great on the first try. Of course, sometimes you might need to tweak your prompt or generate to get exactly what you want. But in most cases the AI is super smart and I really like it. Alright, next we have image to video. And here you can generate a video based on the images you upload to Kling AI. The frame step lets you use just one image as a starting point, while the element step lets you upload up to 4 images, add the prompt, and have the AI generate a video based on them. I've got a cool ballerina image, and I want her to do some ballet moves, like in arabesque. That's when the leg is extended behind the body. And don't ask me how I know that. So I'm pasting in the script the ChatGPT helped me generate. Next we have the start and end frame options, which lets the AI know how the first and last moves of our ballerina should look, but we don't need that right now. We will also skip the sound effects for now and come back to them later. I want a 5-second video with one output, and we just need to wait a few seconds as usual, and our short video is ready. Let's check it out. And guys, this is really amazing, it looks super cool, and honestly just 5 years ago I couldn't even imagine that AI could bring an image to life. I've already seen a bunch of videos where people create full scenes with AI, bringing different characters to life and reusing them in several videos. And do you know what's the most substantial thing here? Very few AI video generators can do this well right now, and Kling AI is one of them. You can always try it yourself, and we are moving to our next feature. The next really awesome feature not every AI video generator has is called lip sync feature. If you have a character and you want their lips to match the prompt you provide, the AI can handle it easily. For this feature I will use this man. I've got my script ready, so I'm pasting it here. You can see there are different male and female voices to choose from. You can also tweak a couple of basic settings like speed and emotion. Now let's try our lip sync feature.
Introducing AquaZen, ultra pure high pH water designed to refresh, recharge, and restore your balance.
Okay guys, as you can see it doesn't look very natural, right? But that's totally okay, you can always play around with it, upload your own voice, adjust your character's position in the video, change the voice speed and so on. I know it's not easy to make it look completely real, but I've seen plenty of YouTube ads where a fully AI generated person is talking, and honestly 5 out of 5 times I would say it looks real. Alright guys, the next really promising feature is called Virtual Try-On Generator. Here you can generate a virtual model with AI, use a template, or upload the photo, and it could even be a photo of yourself. Let's choose this model. I also found a photo of sweater and I want my model to try on, so I'm uploading it, choosing one output, and letting the AI do its work. And after just a few seconds of waiting, there you go. Our guy just changed his t-shirt to the sweater. And again, it's not looking bad, right? And this is perfect if you're selling merch or you want to create a custom model for your e-commerce store, so you can show people how your clothes will look. The AI video extender basically lets you extend your video with the scene you describe to the AI. But recently Kling AI removed the option to use your own uploaded videos, and even with the videos we generated today, this feature doesn't work. Maybe they are fixing it, but when I wrote the script it was working, and now as you can see it's not. This feature itself is pretty straightforward. Choose a video from your history, describe what you want to see next, pick sound effects if needed, and select the number of outputs. Nothing more to add here, let's move to our next feature. Here you can generate audio from a prompt or use a video as a reference to extract sounds or music from it. I want relaxing house music with good vibes. The maximum length is currently only 10 seconds, but since this feature is mostly designed for your AI generated videos, it's more than enough to get started. By default 4 outputs will be generated, so you can pick the best one and listen to what the AI created for us. I will say it's not bad at all, but you should definitely try it yourself. Navigation here is super handy, all the features are on the left, and all your assets like images, video and audio are on the right. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe.